Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and now we will see how to change the settings of the accounts and the privacy. Okay, so these are the some of the settings which you have to enable. Allow the customers to place order without an account. If this is enabled, that means person could make an order without having to create an account. Just disable this, then you can select this option, then allow the customers to create the accounts during the checkout. Allow the customers to create the account on the my account, and you can just select this also. When creating the account automatically generate, and you might uncheck this, and the rest of the things will remain same. And once you do all these things, click on save changes. Okay, so now rest of the things are same over here. Click on the emails, and over here whenever anyone makes a new order, whenever places an order, you will get the message that new order has been placed on this particular email. So just give the email on whatever email on which you have to you want to get this notification. Whenever anyone will be canceling the order, you will get the notification. Whenever order fails, you will get the notification on this particular email. Okay, and these are some of the other places where you can put your I mean, no, sorry. These are the only three places where to give your email ID, and rest everything is same over here. Click on save changes if you have made any changes. And next is integration. You don't have to do anything over here when it comes to integration. And next is advanced. Okay, so when it comes to the advanced page, under cart page, this cart page has to be selected. Under checkout page, my account page. And if you're on terms and conditions, you can just integrate that page over here. You can integrate the privacy policies if you have. Then the don't make any changes over here. So this is optional. Okay, so this is not required or not mandatory. Click on save changes. Okay, so I think we are done with the WooCommerce, and in the next class we will learn something new. Thanks for watching.